Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready to start. Insert batteries into the remote and plug the Roku Streaming Stick into an open HDMI port, using the included extender if the port is tight. Then connect the USB power cable to a reliable 5V outlet or your TV's powered USB. This prevents random shutdowns. Turn the TV to the Roku HDMI input and stay on the screen. Roku needs that initial connection to load its installer and let you proceed with the software-driven setup that follows. Once you see the setup menu, choose your language and pick your Wi-Fi network. Use 5G for faster streams when available, otherwise 2. 4G has better range. Sign in or create a Roku account. This links your device and lets you add channels later. You'll enter the on-screen activation code at Roku. com/link on another device. Allow the required system update to download and install. This optimizes performance and security, making sure you don't unplug the stick while it updates. Finish by installing apps from the channel store and signing into each service. Use search to quickly find specific channels and press options to move favorites to the top of your home screen for easier access. Then open settings to calibrate display, set audio pass-through if using a receiver, and pair voice or private listening through the Roku mobile app to control sound. If something goes wrong, power cycle the stick and TV first. If problems persist, perform a factory reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.